Today I'm going to teach you how to reschedule a meeting in Outlook Calendar. This is a crucial skill for anyone managing appointments and meetings, as schedules often change and you need to keep everyone informed efficiently. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. This step is essential as it ensures you have access to all your calendar events and meeting details. Make sure you're signed in with the correct account, especially if you manage multiple email addresses. Once your email has loaded, it's time to navigate to your calendar menu. Look towards the bottom left part of your screen where you'll find the calendar icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will switch your view from your inbox to your full calendar layout where all your scheduled meetings and appointments are displayed. Now that you're in the calendar menu, take a moment to scan through your calendar and locate the specific meeting you wish to reschedule. Your meetings will be organized by date and time, making it easier to find the one you need. Once you've found the meeting, double-click on it. This action will open up the full meeting details window, giving you access to all the information and options for that particular event. Here's where the rescheduling happens. In the meeting details window, you'll see the current start and end times displayed. Simply adjust these times using the date picker. Click on the date and time fields to select a new meeting schedule that works better for you and your attendees. The interface makes this straightforward, allowing you to choose both the new date and the updated time slots. After you've selected the new meeting time, you'll notice something important. The regular Send button has now been replaced by a button that says Send Update. This is a key feature in Outlook because it ensures all attendees receive a follow-up email about the changes. This update email will automatically notify everyone involved about the rescheduled meeting, giving them a heads up about the new time and date. Click on Send Update to finalize the changes, and that's it. Your meeting has been successfully rescheduled with the new date and time in place, and all attendees will receive the update notification. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.